Hi everyone and welcome back to my daily reports market analysis videos with me, Richard, market analyst at Hantec on Tuesday the 14th of April. We're going to look at euro dollar now, which has been climbing in the past week. A little bit of a choppy run of candles actually. I'm still sort of trying to work out how much weighting we really give to these candles that we saw over the weekend. Obviously it was Easter weekend, reduced trading, volumes were down, so thin markets, and subsequently we've seen a sort of uncertain run over that period, but the market's sort of back higher again today. But it's this resistance around 109.60 area to, I suppose, 109.80 is really what we need to be sort of focusing on overhead. There you had the old lows from November into January around that 109.80 mark. 109.62 is the 38.2% fib of the big sell-off. You've also got, well, Friday's reaction high 109.67, but broadly speaking, that's also a near-term pivot as well. You can see that better on the hourly chart, where you come out here, you can see these resistance levels starting to come through. 109.65, 109.70, and it's sort of there or thereabouts, a little bit of an interesting sort of crossroads, really. It's still running higher lows through this recovery in the last week, so you'd still be pointing towards sort of upside pressure. And if you can break out through 109.70 area on a decisive basis, well, I suppose that really does then reopen the upside, I suppose, back towards this sort of 11.45 area, that resistance from the late March high. But I just sort of still feel that this is a move with the handbrake on, and sort of the bulls are not really certain as to exactly whether to push this or not, because I just see this with momentum indicators sort of broadly neutral really on the hourly. Yeah, there's sort of finding support consistently around the 40 mark on hourly RSI, but just sort of drifting over with these lower highs on the RSI as well. So the run higher is just arguably running out of steam a little bit. And as I said, given the fact that we've posted those two not negative, but just sort of uncertain candles over the weekend, it's just adds a little bit of uncertainty surrounding how far this rally can go. And I'm still concerned that I think this could be a move that just finds resistance overhead and then starts to fall away again. This uptrend that we've been developing over the past 3 weeks or so, 108.45 area. So there is still room for a little bit of a slip back and to maintain the recovery. But I'd say that how the market has tended to sort of swing one direction and then the other over the last few weeks, and arguably you could say that the magnitude of these moves are definitely dissipating, given we've started to find resistance around this level that maybe reduces the prospect of sort of retesting that 11.45 high, and maybe the dollar starts to filter through as an outperformer once more. Now that's likely to be driven by renewed negative risk sentiment. So yeah, question marks surrounding this euro rally, I would say. So with that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading today. Click here to subscribe to our analysis videos and go to our website where you can sign up for our webinars.